Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make monthly recurring tasks in Outlook. So let's start. Open your Outlook application and go to the left hand side and click on the more apps option. Then click on the tasks option and here you can see the list of tasks. Then go to the home tab. In new group, click on new tasks option. And to create new tasks, simply add all details of tasks. So I just add here the subject team meeting. Okay, and I add here the date, start date 20. Okay, then I add here the due date 22. Add here the status. Just click on this drop down arrow and select your the status. So I just add here the in progress. Okay, priority you can just set, click on this drop down arrow. So I select here the high. A complete percentage, you just click on the up arrow to set here the 25% I here set. Reminder, here you can set, just click on the date, just click on the calendar icon and select your the date, reminder date, and reminder time also select, just click on this drop down arrow and select here the reminder time. Okay, so I select this. If you don't want to set the reminder, just click on this box and you can see your reminder is invisible. If you want to set again, just click on this box again. Okay, now I just add the task detail. I just go to my notepad and just copy this task details. I just copy this all details and paste here. After that, to make the monthly recurring tasks in Outlook, simply go to the tasks tab. In recurrence group, click on the recurrence option and here you can see the task recurrence dialog box is open. In the recurrence pattern, here you can see the daily, weekly, and here the monthly is showing the option. Just click on the monthly, you can see the month wise option here available. So select here the day 20 of every 1 month. Okay, so I select here the 18. Okay, 18 of every 1 month. Okay, then you can select this second option also. When I select it, it will deselect the third Saturday of every 1 month. So just click on this arrow and you can select here the first, second, third, fourth, last. So I select here the fourth Saturday. I just click on this drop down arrow and select here the Wednesday and of every 1 month. Okay, you can select the third option also, regenerate the new tasks 1 month after each task has been completed. So I select a second one. After that, range of recurrence, the start date here automatically selected as per your team meeting, and end by, you just click on this arrow and you can select here the end date. You can select here the end after also, and after 13 occurrence. Okay, you can set here, just edit here and you can set here your occurrence. You can select here no end date option also and I just click on OK. I just click on OK here and that's it. You can see here the one message added. Start the fourth Wednesday of every 1 month effective from 24/9/2025. So this is a way you can easily make the monthly recurring tasks in Outlook. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.